Hello everybody. Today in this video I have included the detailed syllabus for the post of agricultural officer in agriculture development and farmers welfare department. The exam is going to be conducted on 24th February 2022. For those who have applied for the examination can give confirmation from 23rd November 2021 to 12th December 2021. Let's go through the syllabus. Part 1, crop production. Module 1, agronomy. Agronomy is scope, seeds and sowing, tillage and tilth, crop density and geometry. Classification of crops, agronomic, botanical, ontogenic. Growth and development of crops. Factors affecting growth and development, crop rotation and its principles, adaptation and distribution of crops, crop nutrition, essential nutrients, criteria of essentiality, classification, functions and deficiencies, manures and fertilizers, nutrient use efficiency, fertilizer calculations, specialty fertilizers, 100% water soluble, fortified, customized, slow release fertilizers, nitrification inhibitors, biological nitrogen fixation, biofertilizers, weeds, importance, classification, invasive weeds of Kerala, crop weed competition, allelopathy, concepts of weed management, principles and methods, herbicides, classification, selectivity and resistance, allelopathy, herbicide calculations, calibration of sprayers and spraying specifications for herbicides, integrated weed management in rice, banana, coconut, agriculture, scope, importance of agriculture and agricultural resources available in India, farming system components, cropping system and pattern, multiple cropping system, sustainable agriculture, problems and its impact on agriculture, indicators of sustainability, adaptation and mitigation, conservation agriculture strategies HEIA, LEIA and LEISA, ecological principles of LEISA, LISA, homestead farming system, economic importance, soil and climatic requirements, area and production, varieties, seed rate, spacing, methods of sowing or planting, manual schedule, cultural practices and yield of major field crops of Kerala with rice, tuber crops that is cassava, sweet potato, yams and aroids, sugarcane, pulses, groundnuts, sesamum and fodder crops that is guinea grass and hybrid napier. Irrigation, water management of principal crops of Kerala, water resources and irrigation development in India and Kerala, soil moisture constants, evapotranspiration, potential evapotranspiration and consumptive use, reference crop evapotranspiration, ETO, crop coefficient Kc values of different crops, main empirical methods of calculations of ETO, effective rainfall, water requirements of crops, scheduling irrigation, methods of irrigation, surface, subsurface, overhead and micro irrigations, irrigation efficiency, water productivity and water use efficiency, agricultural drainage, causes of water logging and types of drainage, quality of irrigational water, agroecology of Kerala, agroecological zones and agroecological units, monsoon in Kerala, cropping seasons of Kerala, rain-fed agriculture, dry farming, dryland farming, rain-fed farming, drought classification, drought adaptation mechanisms in crops, drought management in major crops of Kerala, watershed, types, characteristics and management. Module 2, Soil Science and Agricultural Chemistry, Soil, Pedological and Edaphological Concepts, Weathering, Soil Formation, Factors and Processes, Soil Profile, Soil Physical Properties, Soil Texture, Soil Consistency, Soil Crusting, Bulk Density and Particle Density of soils and porosity, their significance and manipulation, Soil Compaction, Soil Color, Soils of India, Geological Processes and Formations, characterization of soils of Kerala, soil colloids, properties, nature, types and significance, layer silicate clays, their genesis and sources of charges, adsorption of ions, ion exchange, CEC, cation exchange capacity, and AEC, anion exchange capacity, concepts of pH, soil acidity, saline, sodic, and calcareous soils, soil organic matter, composition, decomposability, humus, fractionation of organic matter, carbon cycle, CN ratio, soil biology, biomass, soil organisms and their beneficial and harmful roles. Soil fertility evaluation, soil testing, rating of soil fertility, organic carbon, major, secondary and micronutrients, problem soils of Kerala, characteristics, problems and management or reclamation. Salt affected soils, arid soils, acid soils, submerged soils, eroded soils, acid sulfate soils, degraded soils, organic farming and food security, tools and practices of organic farming, organic certification, accreditation agencies, certification agencies, NSOP, NPOP, precision agriculture, geoinformatics, GIS, and remote sensing concepts application in agriculture, global positioning system, that is GPS, components and its functions, nanotechnology, definition, concepts and techniques, nanoparticles, nanopesticides, nanofertilizers, nanosensors. Part 2, crop protection, that is module 3, agricultural entomology, categories of pests of agriculture, economic classification of insects, external morphology, anatomy and general physiology, structure and function of digestive, circulatory, respiratory, excretory and reproductive, endocrine, exocrine, nervous systems and sense organs, types of metamorphosis, integrated pest management, principles of IPM, concept of economic threshold and economic injury levels, tools of IPM, basic concepts of host plant resistance, biocontrol of pests, microbial control, regulatory control, plant quarantine and phytosanitary certificate, pesticides, insecticide act and rules, newer trends in insect pest management, pheromones, insect growth regulators, chitin synthesis inhibitors, biotechnological methods, distribution, bioecology, nature and symptoms of damage and management strategies of major insect pests of field crops, rice, wheat, maize, sorghum, ragi, sugarcane, cotton and oilseeds, that is groundnut, sesame, castor, sunflower and mustard pulses. Vegetable crops, solanaceous, cruciferous, leafy vegetables, polyhouse vegetables, tuber crops, fruit crops, plantation crops, ornamentals, medicinal and aromatic plants, and stored products pests. Economically important insects, silkworms, lac insects, pollinators, predators, parasites, weed killers, soil builders, scavengers, and insects used for scientific investigation, damage in major crops, and management of nematodes, mites, rodents, birds, mollusks, that is snail. Module 4, Plant Pathology, Importance of Plant Diseases, Important Plant Pathogenic Organisms, Fungi, Bacteria, Fastidious Vascular Bacteria, Virus, Viroids, Phytoplasma, Spiroplasma, Algae, Protozoa, Nematodes, Phanerogamic Parasites, Diseases due to abiotic or biotic causes, Factors affecting disease development, disease triangle and tetrahedron. Fungi, bacteria, viruses, and molecules, morphology, classification, reproduction, transmission, dispersal, and survival. Categories of diseases, IDM, epidemiology, factors affecting disease development, principles and methods of plant disease management, symptoms, etiology, disease cycle, and management of diseases of rice, wheat, sugarcane, groundnut, pulses, vegetables, tubers, citrus, mango, banana, grapevine, pineapple, papaya, guava, sapota, cashew, apple, coconut, arecanut, cocoa, black pepper, ginger, cardamom, tree spices, oil palm, betel wine, coffee, tea, rubber, and ornamentals. Methods of control. Host plant resistance, cultural, mechanical, physical, and legislative. biological and chemical control, survey, surveillance, and forecasting of diseases, development and validation of IDM module, IDM programs in cereals, vegetables, pulses, tuber crops, spices, and plantation crops and ornamentals. Part 3 Crop Improvement, Module 5 Plant Breeding and Genetics, Heredity, Mendelian Principles of Heredity, Cell Division, Mutation, Classification, Methods of Inducing Mutation, and CIB Technique, Mutagenic Agents and Induction of Mutagen. Qualitative and quantitative traits, polygenes and continuous variations, multiple factor hypothesis, domestication, acclimatization, multi-line concept, Hardy-Weinberg principle, genetic basis and methods of breeding, cross-pollinated crops, modes of selection, heterosis and inbreeding depression, development of inbred lines and hybrids, composite and synthetic varieties, major breeding objectives for crop improvement and procedures including conventional and modern innovative approaches for development of hybrids and varieties for yield, adaptability, stability, abiotic and biotic stress tolerance and quality. Seed production technology in self-pollinated, cross-pollinated, and vegetatively propagated crops. Hybrid seed production technology in maize, rice, sorghum, pearl millet, and pigeon pea, etc. Idiotype concept and climate-resilient crop varieties for future. Germplasm, methods of conservation and utilization in crop improvement. Micropropagation, organogenesis, and embryogenesis, different states of micropropagation, commercial micropropagation, quality assurance of tissue culture plants, plant tissue culture for crop improvement, intellectual property rights, meaning GATT, WTO, TRIPS, WIPO, patents, copyrights, trademark, industrial design, geographical indications, integrated circuits, trade secrets, Patent Act 1970 and patent system in India. Module 6 Seed and Seed Technology, Seed Certification, Field Inspection, Foundation and Certified Seed Production of Important Cereals, Rice, Wheat and Maize, Pulses, Cowpea, Moong, Urid, Pigeon Pea, Field Bean and Soybean, Oilseeds, Sesame, Coconut, Sunflower and Groundnut, Fodder, Guinea grass, Napier grass and lucerne, and vegetables, bhindi, tomato, brinjal, chilies, and cucurbitaceous vegetables. Seed Act and Seed Act enforcement. Central Seed Committee, Central Seed Certification Board, State Seed Certification Agency, Central and State Seed Testing Laboratories, Seeds Control Order 1983 and Seed Bill 2004, IPR Intellectual Property Rights. Part 3 Others, Module 7 Horticulture. Horticulture, area, production, productivity of horticultural crops in India and Kerala. Branches of horticulture, major fruit crops, that is pomology. Importance, nutritional value, production technologies, commercial orchards, gardens and plantation. Selection of sites for crops, climate, soil, socioeconomic factors. Techniques of training and pruning. Problems of unfruitfulness, internal factors, external factors, plant growth regulators in horticulture, plant propagation techniques, definition and basic concepts, type structures, commercial propagation of horticultural crops, micro propagation of horticultural crops, important seed and herbal classification, medicinal plants, different methods of classification, active principles, aromatic plants, botany, varieties, production technology, active principles and uses. Plantation crops of Kerala, commercially cultivated varieties, production technologies, improved propagation methods, ornamental and flowering plants, floriculture, cultivation of commercial ornamental and flower crops, gardening and landscaping, scope and methods, post-harvest management of major horticultural crops of Kerala. Module 8 Olericulture, Importance and Scope of Vegetable Crops in India with special reference to Kerala. Production and management of warm season and cool vegetables of Kerala. Types of vegetable farming, systems of vegetable cultivation, traditional and specialized systems. Factors affecting vegetable production. Basic principles in vegetable production: nursery, sowing and transplanting, care and management. Plant protection, special precautions in vegetables. Seed production in cool season vegetables. Post harvest handling, losses, causes and measures to reduce losses. Packing and transport, marketing of vegetables. Module 9, Agricultural Economics. Agricultural Economics Basic Concepts: goods and services, desire, want, demand, utility, cost and price, wealth, tax, capital, income and welfare. Theories: utility theory, law of diminishing marginal utility, equimarginal utility principle. Agricultural marketing, concepts and definitions of marketing, agricultural marketing, market structure, market mix and market segmentation. Classification and characteristics of agricultural markets. Demand, supply and producers surplus of agri commodities. Nature and determinants of demand and supply of farm products, producers surplus. Module 10, Agricultural Extension. Extension education, extension program planning, meaning, process, principles and steps in program development. Extension systems in India. Various extension agriculture development programs launched by ICAR, Government of India, IADP, IAAP, HYVP, KVK, IVLP, ORP, ND, NATP, NAIP, etc. New trends in agriculture extension. Various rural development programs launched by Government of India. Community development, rural leadership, concepts and definition, types of leaders in rural context, extension administration, extension teaching methods, sociology and rural sociology, management in extension, participatory approaches, entrepreneurship in agriculture, communication and transfer of technology in agriculture. And here it is given a note that apart from the topics detailed above, the questions from other topics prescribed for the educational qualification of the post may also appear in the question paper. There is no undertaking that all the topics may be covered in the question paper. So thanks for watching. Like, share and comment your suggestions. Subscribe the channel if you haven't subscribed the channel yet, and hit the bell icon to get instant notification.